All of our houses are heated with gas heat, which is a wonderful heat fuel, but it does tend to produce pretty dry heat. So we put a humidifier in every house we build. So the filter for the humidifier needs to be changed every year. You only run the humidifier during the heating season. So at the end of the heating season, as you get into spring, you're going to want to cut the humidifier off and change this filter. This is your humidifier, and there's a vent that opens and closes that allows the moistened air access. And you can see what they've done here. There's a C on top, there's an O on the bottom, and they've told you that C for closed during the summer, O for open during the winter. And as he's approaching the summer, his is closed right now. And you can control the humidity. You can set it anywhere from off to 35%. Our recommended setting is 35%. Right now it's in off mode because we have come out of the heating season and are entering the cooling season, so there's no need for it to be on. But when the heating season starts, you put in your new filter and then you set this to 35%. This particular filter is a little tough to access because of the placement of the gas pipe, but let me see if I can show you how this works. We're just coming out of the heating season, getting ready to go into the cooling season, so it is time for this to be clean. But you can see how the debris builds up. The domestic water is shot across this to create humidity, which then gets introduced into the duct system. So you get some moisture spread throughout the house. But you can see how the mineral deposits accumulate here. There's a little tab on the side here that you pull out, and this whole thing just pops out. And you just want to have one on order and replace it again each season.